Hello students, I hope you are all fine and in good health. In this particular audio presentation, I will be discussing the second guidelines related with comprehension unseen. Now, see dear students, it is written comprehension, then it is written some important guidelines. So first of all, the first important point that you should all remember is that rely on the information given in the passage instead of relying on outside information of a particular topic. So whatever information is given in the passage, try to write the answers related to that information provided instead of incorporating information from outside. It may happen that you may know a lot related with a particular topic given in the unseen comprehension part, but it is advisable from the point of view of securing high marks in the examination that please do not incorporate any ideas or informations from outside. Whatever information is given in the passage, rely on that information and try to solve the answers related to those informations highlighted or given in the passage. Now I am moving on to the next point. The next point is also very important. You should analyze each passage carefully before answering the accompanying questions. The sole key of scoring high marks in comprehension unseen is that you should actually analyze the passage very well. You should analyze each and every paragraph of the passage. You should understand properly what the passage is all about. That will help you to answer the accompanying questions that follow along with the passage. Now, point number three. Always look for clues that will help you to understand the passage. It is advisable that when you will read the passage, always you look for the clues. Now, the clues will help you to understand the passage. That requires minute reading of the passage. If you read the passage carefully, you can find out the clues, and ultimately the clues will be helpful in order to understand the passage. Next point, try to separate the main idea from the supporting ideas. A rough draft of the passage is very important. Directly don't solve it. In case of note making also, I suggested to all of you that first you make a rough draft, then you make a final draft, then you write it fresh. Here also, in case of comprehension, you may get some ideas. You please try to write those ideas roughly and try to separate or segregate the main ideas from the supporting ideas, and then try to write the answers properly. So in order to separate the main ideas from the supporting ideas, it is very necessary to understand what the passage is actually dealing with, or what the passage is all about, what is the main theme of the passage, or what is the subject matter of the passage. Unless and until that part is clear, you can't segregate, you can't separate the main idea from the supporting ideas. Point number 5, read each question very carefully and be certain that you understand exactly what is being asked. So you have to read each question very carefully and you have to be very certain that you understand exactly what is being asked, because if you don't understand the question, obviously you can't select the right answer. Suppose you have to write subjective answers, suppose you have to write objective answers, suppose you have to solve the multiple choice questions. First of all, you have to understand the question. The moment you will understand the question, definitely you can write the correct answer properly. Whether it be an objective question, whether it be a subjective question, or whether it be a multiple choice question. Now I am moving on to the next important point, point number 6. Always read all the answers choices before selecting the best answer. Now that is very much applicable in case of MCQs. That means in case of multiple choice questions, because you might find that more or less all the options are very much identical with the question that has been asked beforehand. So in that case, my suggestion to all of you is that read the question properly, read the options properly, and understand and analyze that which might be the right one, and then you take your time and then you select the right option. So in what way that can be done? Obviously, if you read all the answer choices properly before selecting the main answer, then only it is possible, because all the options might seem to be identical to you. So in that case, you have to read the question properly, and after that you have to read the options properly. Then only you will be able to answer. Last point, have faith in yourself and have faith in your understanding of the unseen passage. Have faith in yourself, and most importantly, have faith in your understanding of the unseen passage, because you have to have some confidence. Your confidence is the key. So obviously, if you are confident about answering the passage after reading the passage properly, then obviously you can score good marks. But your confidence, your faith in the passage is very important, and most importantly, your faith in your own capabilities is very important. Your faith in yourself is very important. So let me clarify the last point. Have faith in yourself and have faith in your understanding of the unseen passage, because the moment you won't be gathering enough confidence, you won't be able to answer. So you have to have faith in yourself, and you have to have faith in your understanding of the unseen passage. Then only you can accurately solve it and you can get the full marks. So let me recapitulate once again whatever I told. First one, rely on the information given in the passage. No need to incorporate ideas from outside, despite you have a proper knowledge and a vast knowledge related with the main topic given in the passage. Till I suggest you, no need to incorporate ideas from outside. Whatever is given in the passage, try to write your answer based on those informations given in the passage. You should analyze each passage carefully, and after that you should proceed towards the accompanying questions that the passage that is followed along with the passage. Next one, always look for new ideas. Okay, always look for clues. Obviously you will get many clues if you read the passage very carefully. And another important one, try to separate the main idea from the supporting ideas. Now if you want to clarify it properly, if you want to make sure that you have divided the main ideas from the supporting ideas, my suggestion is that you make a rough draft, then only you can do it properly. And after that you make it fresh, and after that it will give you some ideas which are the correct answers, or whether what to write if some objective or subjective questions are asked related with the unseen passage. Next one, very important, point number 5, as I already repeated earlier, I am repeating once again. Read each question very carefully and be certain and be confident that you understand exactly what is being asked. You have to read each question very carefully, very minutely, and you have to be certain enough, you have to be confident enough that you understand exactly what is being asked. Now, point number 6, very important, the second last one. Always read all the answer choices before selecting the best answer. This is applicable in case of multiple choice questions, because all the answers might seem identical. My suggestion is that read all the answer choices properly before selecting the best answer. And finally, have faith, have trust, have confidence. Confidence is half the winning. We all know about this proverb. So you should have trust in yourself, you should have faith in yourself, you should have confidence in yourself, and not only that, you should have faith in your understanding of the unseen passage. That is something that is noteworthy. That faith in yourself and faith in your understanding of the unseen passage. So dear students, kindly go through these 7 important guidelines related with comprehension unseen, and kindly listen to this audio presentation. And if there is any doubt anywhere, kindly let me know about it. Thank you students. Thank you all.